in and actually take a look at this packet that I assigned you for the weekend. So we have a box being pushed across a tile floor. We have a coefficient of friction, and it looks like this is a coefficient of kinetic friction. So let's go ahead and draw the free body diagram. We know it's kinetic friction because it's sliding at constant speed as opposed to being at rest. So we have a pushing force, we have a friction force, normal, and gravity as per usual. And let's go ahead and set up our equation. So we realize that the system is balanced, which means in this particular case, the force of gravity happens to equal the normal force. And that means in this particular case, the normal force happens to equal mg. And we also know that the pushing force has to balance the friction force since we're moving at constant velocity. So we have a 40 Newton force. Finally, we know that friction is fun. So let's go ahead and put all this together and see what we can get. So we know that 40 is going to equal 0.2 times the normal force. And so when we simplify, we're going to get a normal force of 200 newtons. And what this tells us is if the normal is 200 newtons, we know that the weight is also 200 newtons of force. So we know 200 equals m times 9.8. And that's going to give us a mass of approximately, actually of exactly 20.41 kilograms.